Hello there. Yes, you. That's right. Welcome to Live Love Lang, where we teach you how to learn multiple languages and how to go abroad. I see that you've just started studying a new language. Or you're considering it, but you're not really sure where to start. Or maybe you've been studying for, let's say, 3 months, but you still feel like you're not getting anywhere with your studies. Well, I'm here to tell you that there's a single tip to fix your problem. And that solution is as simple as scheduling your study time. If you haven't yet tried this, I'm 100% certain that you'll kick yourself when you realize how your study sessions will become more consistent, focused, and not to mention fun, simply due to scheduling your study time. Take out your phone, planner, laptop, calendar, journal, whatever it is you use to plan your time, and look at your weekly schedule. If you don't have one already, write one now. And just pick a time where you can fit in ample amount of studying. Let's say 2 hours on Sunday afternoons. Reserve that time exclusively for studying and nothing else. That's all that window will be for you. Those 2 hours on Sunday afternoons, you study. Within that, it's important that you factor in all your different study methods, whether that's reading, writing, speaking, grammar, or anything else you can think of that will be beneficial to your studies. Make sure you divide up the time based on what your personal language goals are. After all, depending on your personal goals for studying a language, how you divide up your time is going to look very, very different. Let's say you want to take the JLPT. Well, in that case, your routine will certainly look very different from someone who wants to learn to read fluently in Portuguese. Nobody knows better than you what you want to accomplish with your language studying. Let's say I'm doing my own schedule right now for my Korean studies. I would plan it something along the lines of spending 15 to 20 minutes every day with reading and writing Hangul. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, I will do up to 3 pages in whatever study material I'm using, like for example, this textbook. On Wednesdays, I will study using audio lessons and a YouTube video to practice listening comprehension as well as collecting vocabulary. And on Fridays, I will revise what I learned throughout the week and watch a Korean drama with subtitles in both English and Korean, which you can do by using the Chrome extension Language Learning with Netflix. And not to waste all the time I have during my daily commutes, I will spend that time studying using Lingodeer. And speaking of Lingodeer, today's video is brought to you by Lingodeer. And Lingodeer is my personal favorite language learning app out of all the ones I've tried so far, because it does a great job of balancing entertainment with education and making sure you're having fun while you still feel like you're actually learning things. So check out the link in the description for 15% off any subscription of your choice. Okay, back to the video. So at this point in your studying career, it is very, very important that you focus on building the routine of studying rather than just trying to cram as much information into your study time as possible, because that will lead to burnout and you won't feel motivated to study. Because of this, it is very important that you're realistic with your expectations of yourself and know how much you can physically do on a regular basis. The point of this is to have a So the point of this is to have a steady routine that you can repeat week after week after week and always feel motivated and that you're having fun with your studying. Because after a while, you'll get tired of this same routine because it'll be too little for you. You can redo your routine however many times you feel is necessary. The only point is you will then already have the habit of studying every single week. You will build up a routine, a rigidity that is very necessary for you to be successful in your studies. If you take away one thing from this video, one single thing, please let it be that the most important thing you can do for yourself is to learn how to make habits of studying and not just do it when you feel like it, because you'll end up studying like a week total per month or something like that, and you won't actually be able to reach those goals you already set for yourself. Well, you might, but it's gonna take you a lot longer than it's necessary. So build up a steady routine and you'll get there much quicker, and you will still feel motivated and you'll have fun with your studying. Did you enjoy today's lesson? Wonderful. I will see you in the next video, whatever that may be. Okay, roll the outro.
That's it for today's video, and we hope that you enjoyed it and it was helpful for you.
We produce these free videos with your support, so if you want to know how to become a patron, you can check the description down below, or you can search on patreon.com/livelovelang.
Get your free templates and vocabulary lists on our website, gladlyglobal.com.
Why are you waiting? It's free.
Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment down below, show us some love, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.